Hi everyone, welcome to this beginner-friendly course on C Sharp. If you're new to programming or want to strengthen your C Sharp skills, you are in the right place. In this series, we will cover everything you need to start coding in C Sharp and build real-world applications. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at what we will be learning in this course. First, we're going to have a quick introduction to the C Sharp language. Then we're going to install the Visual Studio so you can write your first program. After that, we're going to go through the building blocks of C# program, variables and data types. Then we're going to talk about operators in C# so we can perform calculations and logical operations. Then we're going through user input and output so we can interact with users in our program. And then we talk about if-else statement and switch case to make decisions in our code. After that, we're going through loops in C Sharp, which is for repeating actions efficiently. And then we learn about object-oriented programming and writing reusable and structured code. For storing and managing multiple values, we need to learn about collections. And then we talk about exception handling to prevent crashes and file handling to manage files. At the end, you're going to apply what you have learned in this series in your projects and so much more after that in the intermediate series. By the end of this course, you will be comfortable writing C# programs and building small projects. Now, let's start with the basics. Have you ever wondered how applications like Microsoft Office, websites, and even video games are built? Many of them are powered by a programming language called C Sharp. So, what exactly is C Sharp? C Sharp is a modern object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft. It was introduced in 2000 as a part of .NET Framework, and over the years, it has grown to become one of the most widely used programming language in the world, which helps developers build applications more efficiently. So what makes C Sharp special? C Sharp was designed to be simple. It has an easy to read syntax that makes it great for beginners. It's powerful. It provides advanced features that professionals use to build large-scale applications. It's versatile. With C Sharp, you can develop desktop application, web application, mobile apps, video games, and even cloud-based solutions. Think of C Sharp as a Swiss Army knife for programming. It gives you the tools to build almost everything. C# language was heavily influenced by C++ and Java, making it powerful yet easier to learn. Over the years, C# has evolved, and today it runs on .NET Core, allowing developers to build cross-platform applications that work on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. Many large companies and developers worldwide use C#. It powers everything from Microsoft Office tools to enterprise business applications and video games. If you're looking for a programming language that is both beginner friendly and used by professionals, C Sharp is a fantastic choice. Now that we understand what C Sharp is, let's explore where it is used in real world applications. C Sharp is a very versatile language. Let's look at some of the areas where it's commonly used. Many Windows applications, such as accounting and inventory software, are built using C Sharp. It provides a robust way to create powerful applications with graphical interfaces. C Sharp works with ASP.NET, a powerful framework for building dynamic websites and web applications. Many large-scale web platforms rely on ASP.NET for their backend system. One of the most exciting uses of C Sharp is in game development. The Unity game engine, which powers thousands of popular games, uses C Sharp as its primary scripting language. With .NET MAUI, you can use C Sharp to build cross-platform mobile applications that run on both iOS and Android. C Sharp is widely used in Microsoft Azure for cloud applications. That is also supports AI and machine learning development with ML.NET. So whether you are interested in desktop applications, web development, game creation, mobile apps, or even AI, C Sharp has something for you. Now, why should you choose C Sharp over other programming languages? First, because it is beginner friendly. C Sharp has an easy to read syntax, making it great for beginners. And second, because you can build desktop app, website, games, mobile apps, and more with C Sharp. It is versatile. And the third reason is because many companies use C Sharp, meaning more job opportunities for you. And the last, if you want to work with .NET, Azure, or Windows development, C Sharp is a must-learn language, and it's a part of Microsoft ecosystem. By learning C Sharp, you're equipping yourself with a valuable skills that opens doors to many different fields in software development. Now that we understand what C Sharp is and where it's used, the next step is to set up your development environment. In the next video, we will install Visual Studio and create our first C Sharp project and write a simple Hello World program. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. See you in the next lesson.